this, we have a lot more teachers who are to be felicitated and appreciated today. But before that, we have a lot of students, those who want to share their feelings today at this reunion. So I would like to call upon everybody one by one. I kindly request to be a bit quick because we are running short in time. So foremost, I request Mr. Sunil Chavan to kindly come forward and express his views.
All my batchmates and other schoolmates, I remember good evening. Yeah, 31 years long back, what I remember, Devlali High School and of course English Prep School. Some of my teachers of that time are here today, and when I met them, really it was a very loving moments. School तो सभी को याद रहता है, कोई भूलता नहीं है, and of course I also have those memories with me. But आज टीचर्स को मिलने के बाद जो खुशी मिली है, I'm very proud to share these moments. आज जो भी हूँ स्कूल की वजह से एंड टीचर्स की वजह से, एंड टीचर्स लाइक भट्ट सर अभी भी मिलने के बाद इतने साल के बाद मुझे मेरे मार्क्स उन्होंने बताए. Very proud to be a student of Devlali High School and to have teachers like you. Thank you so much.
And for now, I welcome Mr. Santosh Thakur.
A very warm welcome to all my respected teachers and my batchmates and schoolmates. To be very frank, I am not ready for this speech, but still I will express my views on this reunion. It's really a wonderful evening here. I don't think such a reunion has happened in complete Nasik. A reunion of not a single batch, a reunion of multi-batches, I will say, and a reunion where we have called our ex-teachers. Generally, a reunion happens only in the group of batches. A group of batches, they join together, they enjoy with their families, but then I would not like to take the name of one single person who has really, it is the dream of that one single woman who has brought this evening, and she has brought all us together. And I would like to wish this reunion to continue with some good events, just not to forget this today's event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I kindly request Nirmala Chituria to come up the stage and express her views.
Good evening, teachers, and good evening, friends. Actually, it is a pleasurable moment to stand here, and I'm from 95 batch. On behalf of 95 batch, this is really a proud moment to stand here for the great Grand Milap. And I would like to say that this Grand Milap, it was possible because of a dream of Huma teacher. Okay? Shri, yes. Shri dreamt of that all the students of all the batches, they should come together. All the teachers, the old teacher, new teacher, they should come together. And we are here. Yes or no? We are here because of her only. Because she dreamt of, and we have proved it. One thing I would like to say regarding the school. As a school student, we were in the school, down to the memory lane, there are many things to speak. But Anil Dada, he is standing here. What he said, within 1 or 2 minutes, you are supposed to wind up. And I don't feel the whole memory lane, within 2 minutes we can wind up. No. Only the thing with the quotation I need to start. The school is a temple and teachers are my God. School is a temple and teachers are my God. The temple and the teachers, they are close to our heart. Yes or no? Yeah. And that is because of the teacher. They have in DHS, in EPS, they have brought us in discipline, the hard work, all this value that is inculcated because of our teachers only. One thing I would like to say, you were there, so we are. You were there, so we are. And I would like to end with one song. Maybe I'm not a good singer, still I would like to sing. ये कौन शिल्पकार है, ये कौन शिल्पकार, ये कौन शिल्पकार है, ये कौन शिल्पकार है. Our शिल्पकार, they are teachers only, yes or no? With a hammer, with a nail, they stood together throughout our school life. And because of the teachers only, I feel the statue which is raised, the beautiful statues, your students you can see. The statues you can place in a hospital, like doctor. The statues you can place in the different field, in the school, teachers. All this is credit of teachers only. And on behalf of all the students at 95 batch, I bow my head to all my teachers. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, very well said. I think she herself is a teacher because she has a habit of saying yes or no. Yes or no. Right? Oh, she's a headmistress, right? So as she said that like the teachers are God, so we would like to extend some condolences for some teachers and some students who are right now not between us. So we will maintain a silence of 1 minute. So everybody, if you can just stand at your places and extend condolences to all the teachers and students who are not between us. Thank you so much, everybody. Please be seated. Alright, and beginning forward in the journey of memories, I would like to call upon the next student, that is Amba Das Jinanikar.
Here I have some few quotes to tell. First of all, I will introduce myself. Myself, A.B. Nanekar from 1985-86 batch. I am here on my batchmates. Today is the golden day of our EPS and DHS school. A grand reunion of almost 15 batches put together. Feeling really very proud to be a part and parcel of this memorable event. Meeting and sharing views after a span of almost 30 years with all the beloved and respected teachers right from KG to 10th really is a daydream come true. Thanks to Huma ma'am for the thought of having a grand reunion and the core team to make it really a grand success. They left no stone unturned since last 2.5 months. They were on their feet around the clock. I will not take more time as the organizer were very correctly have asked to restrict the feelings in a minute. Before signing off, I would express my feelings towards all these Mahagurus, a bunch of colorful flowers. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराजांना श्री पांडुरंगाचा साक्षात्कार झाल्यावर म्हणावेसे वाटले होते ते त्यांनी ओवीबद्धही केले होते. अजी सोनियाचा दिनू वर्ष अमृताचा घनू हरी पाहिला रे हरी पाहिला रे. तद्वतच आपण सर्व गुरुजन व मित्रांना भेटून मलाही किंवा माझ्या सर्व मित्रांनाही असेच म्हणावेसे वाटेल. आज सोनियाचा दिवस असून सर्वत्र अमृताचा वर्षा होत आहे. आमचे पांडुरंग म्हणजेच आपण सर्व महागुरु. आपण आम्हाला दिलेल्या संस्कारामुळेच आम्ही इथपर्यंत आलो आहोत. Thanks and requested to be connected. Thank you.
And next I would like to call upon is Rizwana Ji Sheikh.
Good evening, everyone. I'll especially say good evening to all teachers who are here. And one of my favorite, and I believe all will, agree with me, is Homa teacher, because of whom we are here. So I just need all of you to clap for Homa teacher. And as Nirmala has said a lot on how we are here and why we are here, and she has made us so blessed with each and everything. So I just thank everyone to be here, and in fact the team who has done all this arrangement. So I won't take much time. Thank you so much. Thanks.
And after this, I request Mr. Nitin Khatare to kindly come forward to share his feelings today.
Good evening to all teachers, all ex-students, and my dear friends. On the behalf of Nitin Khatare, I, Sangram Gaikwad, from 1989 batch, all my batchmates are also attend the program. I would like to say some few words. Teacher always remember those students, those who are very naughty and those who are very clever. When I enter the gate, and I saw many teachers. I went there. Madam, you have recognized me? What they told me? Yeah, you Sangram Gaikwad, you are very naughty. So naughty students, teachers never forget, and clever students, teacher never forget. So I will request all the ex-students to give the clap for all my teachers. And one of my best teacher, she has come from Chandigarh and she is sitting with us. I would request all the students, give her a special clap for Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur. I will thanks to all the organization, committees. They have organized such a nice program. Next time, I hope they will do more better than this. Thank you and thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And as he mentioned that the teacher has come all the way from Chandigarh, one more thing I would like to add upon is it was a very short notice on which she was informed that was only within 2 days she decided, and she has traveled all 24 hours specially to come in the reunion. One more time, a big hand for her. Thank you so much, ma'am. With this, the next I would like to call upon is Harshadaji Patil, our next student.
A very good evening to all the honorees present over here. And a big hi to all my friends. And welcome to all those friends, those who are out of Nasik, but they have managed to come for this program. So today finally, the day has come when we all are meeting together. Friends, when we all were in school, I remember we had a great attraction towards the college life. And when we were in college, we had a great attraction towards being successful in life. And at this moment, when we all are successful, wherever we are, and when we look back, I know each and every one of us have uttered these words. किती छान होते ते शाळेचे दिवस. काश ते दिवस परत आले असते तर. And I thank all the core members, those who have arranged this beautiful, beautiful, great reunion. Teachers, let me tell you all one thing. These people have taken so many efforts for this program that I don't know. So many mobiles hanged out because of the thousands of messages, and how many of them left the group because of being fed up of those messages, including myself. And then again we added to the group. Teachers, I know you all were excellent in whatever you all taught, but let me test the geometry of our students now. I'll ask you one question. I expect the answer. How many rays pass through a point? Who will give me the answer? Oh, very good, very good. Still you all are in school, right? So, here, sitting at the back, are all those infinite rays, those who are spreading their glory all over in the world. I know many of us are abroad, and still they have come over here for this reunion. Teachers, let us rise as much high as we can, but we all are connected to UPS and DHS and this Nasik city also. Friends, everyone do not get this opportunity to thank their teachers, but I thank our members, the core members, our senior brothers and sisters who have given us this opportunity to thank our teachers. Teachers, whatever we are today are all because of you all. I thank all the teachers, those who have taught us in nursery till the board examinations. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much to the teachers. Today morning, we got a message. Where is Kailash bro? Yeah, Kailash bro, where are you? हर बात हो मनचाही जब शुरुआत हो सही. गाइस, हमारी शुरुआत सही हो चुकी है और दुआ करो कि ये सिलसिला हमेशा जारी रहे और इस ग्रैंड रीयूनियन को हम ग्रैंड रीयूनियन बना के अगले साल फिर से यहीं पर मिले with more big mob with us. Yes? I again thank all the teachers and my very special thanks to my Huma ma'am. Thank you all.
And of course, it's a very brand new and good beginning altogether. And to use this platform, as you've seen the logo, it displays a tree, a growing tree in fact. And we would like to grow not only between us, but we would also like to take up students, those who are dropouts, those who are poor, those who want to still study but they cannot because of some reason. So we are passing on a floating box to everybody right here. So please everybody, right from 5 rupees, whatever help you want to extend to such students, you can definitely do the honors and the float box will be just towards you. So let's help grow us together and also the nation. With this and with this good note, with using this platform, I would like to call upon next Mr. Sandeep Thakur to kindly speak a few words on the occasion.
Good evening everybody and hearty welcome to all of you. A wonderful evening and wonderful arrangement you are having. The first thing first, I will thank the vision of Sidhwa ma'am, who had a vision to start an English medium school, and that's the reason we are here. Then my school, English EPS and DHS, which gave us the platform to rise above. Then my devotional teachers with whom we started the journey. It's a very great feeling to be here. Friends, believe 2 months ago, I was just alone, busy in my business and routine life. I didn't know anyone from all. Today, I am having 40 classmates of my 93 batch, 250 students of all batches, and this is possible only and only one because of one thread, and that is Huma ma'am. मैम, आप वो धागा हो जिसने इन सब फूलों को जमा करके एक बढ़िया हार बना है और इन फूलों की खुशबू हमेशा महकती रहेगी. This is the beginning and we will start from here. We will explore your vision that there is a divine power, because of that we are here. कुछ तो है जिसने अपना connection जुड़ाया है, and you're thinking that you should meet together, you should enjoy personally or professionally. It will help you in future. My special thanks to all the organizers, especially Kailash Nisal, Sushil Chavan, Anil Patole, Parag Bhau and all. I don't remember the names, but hearty thanks. You have worked hard. I know the first meeting which we had, we just had 18 registrations, and I know your faces. You thought, "Arey, ye pura hoga ki nahi? 250 log jamenge ki nahi?" But you have done well, guys. My hearty congratulations to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and I'm happy to announce that there are 206 registrations, which is definitely a successful number. All right, with this, I would like to call upon Manishaji Gangurde to express her views.
Good evening, my dear teachers and friends. Let me introduce myself first. I am Manisha Gangurde from 10th B, 1990 batch. Guys, let me speak. My heart is beating very fast at this moment to be here in front of all these great personalities sitting in front of me. It's very nice to see all of you together at this reunion. A big thank to all the representatives of each batch who have done a great job in getting us together at this moment. A big round of applause for them. Please put your hands together for them. Friends, you won't believe when I was being asked, I have to express my views. Guys, I'm going to take a little bit more time, please. When I was being asked to speak in front and express my views and feelings on this platform. I was so excited and so thrilled that I will be sharing all our childhood memories, our school days, moments. But at this moment, believe me, I have no words to say, and I'm just thrilled. I can only visualize our school days in the classroom when these great personalities were putting their hard work in molding us and guiding us to face this world for what we are today. I take this opportunity on behalf of all of you to thank all these teachers who have been a part of our journey. Thank you very much. Secondly, I don't think there would have been another platform other than this to tell you one more fact of my life, that whatever I am today is only because of the one person in this forum who has been my support, who supported me for my education and made me capable to be what I am today. Friends, that great personality is none other than Miss Huma Engineer. Ma'am, you are an inspiration to me and a real God to me. I love you. Friends, have a nice time and enjoy yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And after this, I would like to call upon नवाज अली, जिनके बारे में मैं बहुत सुन चुकी हूँ. लेकिन ठीक है, थोड़ा इरशाद करके स्वागत कर देते हैं इनका जोरदार तालियों के साथ. Let's welcome him.
To start with, I'll start with a quote that every parting is a form of death, and every reunion is like a heaven. So, the friends we make in the high school remain with us forever through our life. And some of us gradually they go down into their lives, but they are really the same what we met during the school time. Today I'm here standing in front of you, but I really feel that you all are beautiful, all are wonderful. And I would like to thank my teachers from the bottom of my heart. They have really worked hard and to bring us to this level. And I really feel proud that you and the teachers are the part of our lives. Thank you so much. And to end with, people expect a lot of shairis from me. So I would like to end with the share that I'm nervous, sorry. शाख से बिछड़ने का तो दर्द उन्हें बहुत है, लेकिन शाख से बिछड़ने का तो दर्द उन्हें बहुत है, लेकिन फूल मजबूर है मुस्कुराते हैं गुलदानों में. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful evening and blast. Thank you.
क्या बात है नवाज जी, जो सुना था बिल्कुल सही आप प्रूव करके चले गए यहाँ पर. चलिए ठीक है, इसी के साथ एक शायरी मैं भी अर्ज करना चाहूंगी आप सबके लिए. आपको हर एक सेंटेंस के बाद वाह वाह कहना. पहले वाह वाह, क्या बात है. ठीक है. हौसलों की उड़ान अभी बाकी है, आपके इरादों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है. अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, आगे सारा आसमान बाकी है. चलिए इसी के साथ with the concluding note, I would like to call upon the last student to express his views, and that is Mr. Kailash Nisar.
Today I am going to talk about the making of the reunion. Firstly, I would like to thank all teachers for accepting the invitation, spending their time with us, and all the students who are here present today. I'll just explain about the making of reunion. Friends, it was just a casual talk between me, Sushil, Anil and Parag. Because a lot of get-together was happening around here, batch-wise. So we thought of getting a reunion of two batches, 1991. We approached Huma teacher to discuss about this. As soon as we approached Huma teacher, she literally grabbed on it and said, guys, I want this. This is my dream. I want all my students together before I close my eyes. Friends, that was the trigger of starting this reunion. Now we'll talk about the reunion. This reunion stands around three principles. Remember the past, embrace the present, and sow the seeds for the future. We try to remember all the past memories. We have gathered whatever memories we could gather. We have reached each and every corner of the classroom, the front benchers, the last benchers, everybody. We have counted almost 1,000 peoples. Today we could gather 300 numbers today. What are we today here is the present. Guys, embrace it, enjoy it today. What is the future? For the future, we have planned few things. Today we have information of 300 candidates, 300 students, working in various sectors, in government sectors, private sectors. They are in various positions. This information is helpful or is ready reference to all the students here for the personal use, for the employments, and for their future use. Further, we have a plan to form a charity or an NGO or a trust which is going to help the poor families for the education of children. You have seen me and my team working last 1.5 months flawlessly and relentlessly, day and night. I especially thanks Sushil Chavan, Anil Patole, Parag, Tushal Maluskar, Nitin Khatale, and all that worked with me throughout the last 1.5 months. Now this NGO is going to function how? Structure will be announced shortly, and this is going to help the students who are studying in Deolali High School, who needs to be groomed and needs to support in terms of finance. Structure of NGO will be announced, and some students from our present here today will be part of it along with Homa teacher. I, on behalf of everybody and the core committee, thank all teachers once again for being here, being a part of today's function, and blessing us. Thank you very much.